Hey everyone, so I've been working on something really exciting over the past few weeks, and I finally got it to a place where I'm really proud of it. This is AI Hub, a unified platform where I have brought together three of my AI tools into one clean professional interface. Let me walk you through it. So this is the dashboard, three agents, AI Audit Agent, News Research Agent, TalkToData Engine. Each one was built to solve a real problem that I've seen in a professional environment. Let me show you each one. Okay. So here's the AI audit agent. Let me just run it in the background so that while it runs, I'll explain you how it works. Okay. So you upload any document that you want to review and you upload your audit CSV questions. Okay. I'll explain you like what we are doing here. Let me just process it first. So, so if you ever worked in a consulting, compliance, or any kind of project delivery, you know how painful document audits are. Someone has to manually go through a 50-page document, check it against a list of requirements, and write up findings. That can take hours. This agent does that in minutes. You upload your document, as I did. It can be a PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, anything. And you upload your audit question as a CSV. The agent reads the entire document, evaluates every single question, and tells you whether each requirement is present, partially present, or not present at all, with page references, confidence scores, and recommendations. And you can export the full report as an Excel file instantly, and you can share that your finding with the client as well. What would take a person days, this does in under 2 minutes. And how to use it, this application, this agent, sorry, I have mentioned it here as well, how it works exactly, and the instruction and how you can do it. So just upload any PDF, PPT, docs, document, just like I did, and upload a CSV as well. Now the agent will do the remaining task for you, and you will see an output like this: 60% compliance rate, compliance, 4 action item, 4 priority, 81% average confidence of the findings. Okay. Now you can see a quick summary here as well. Okay. But I would say it's better if you just download the export, Excel export, and just review that. You can do a, what I usually do is I just do a quick formatting of the document. Yeah. And then you can share your findings with the agent. So this was our tool. This is the status, like it is partially present, criticality high, confidence is low, and it can be this information can be found in page 3 or 6. So it gives out you the observation. It gives also gives the recommendation and also tells you the what is the risk here and whether a client requires an action or not. So this is an end-to-end document that you can exactly share with your client as well. Or if you want to do some changes, you can feel free to do that as well. And here is your summary metrics. Okay, I'll just for a quick analysis. So this was the AI audit agent. Now the news agent. News agent is fairly simple. We all deal with the information overload, right? There's just too much to read. This agent lets you paste any news article and have a conversation about it instead of reading the whole thing. Watch, I already have pasted this. This will, if you also log in, you already have this uh, news article copy pasted here, but you can add some more news article as well, or whether if you want to update this as well, you can update it. You can add as many URL as you want. Okay, so I'll just, for this example, I just keep one only. I'll be just close my news article, hit ingest, and now I can just ask a specific question. I'll ask you to summarize the article for me. So, like, summarize this article. It will take a couple of seconds since this article is specifically a very long article. You can see 4,311 words. If your article is small, it won't take even a second. Right now, also, it just took 5 to 10 seconds only. This is my personal favorite. The TalkToData Engine. This one solves a problem I've seen constantly. Business users have a data in databases or Excel file, but they can't write SQL. So they are always dependent on data analysts to pull numbers for them. That creates a bottleneck. This agent removes that dependency completely. You upload an Excel file or connect your database. And I'll show you that in a minute. And then And you just ask questions in plain English. What I'll just show you how it works. Okay, you can connect with the live database as well, whichever you have. You can connect with Postgres, MySQL Server, anything, and you provide your credentials, and you can connect with your database directly. For this demo, I'll show you an example with an Excel file. So you can just upload. So suppose I have uploaded this data. It will take a couple of seconds because I need to pass all the information that is present inside the Excel file. So yeah, it has pulled in all the tabs that I have in that Excel file. It has 4 tabs, and all the column details are present here. So now if you want, you can check in the data type as well. So customer ID begin is fine. You can change it to integer as well. Sign up date, it should be correct. Otherwise your queries won't work. So it's good practice if you just verify the data types once. Unit price decimal, order ID integer, order date, it should be date, customer ID integer, product ID integer, yeah. And this is also integer, order ID integer, payment method, amount paid, and then payment date is also date. Yeah. Also, you can add in some description as well. And the Claude will provide the customer column details as well. So it basically provides much more context so that agent can provide you a better query. Okay. And now you can, it's completely optional. You don't have to provide this. You can perform your analysis. Click on this start analysis button. Yeah. And it comes to this. Now you can just write in your query. So I would just want to ask which customer place the more number of orders in the month of March. Okay. Um, it's not a simple query. It needs to join a couple of tables. See, it will analyze your question. It will analyze your database and generate a SQL query as well as the SQL explanation as well. Here you can see this is your entire SQL query. It's a bit complex as well. And here's the end-to-end logic of the SQL query. What tables are there, filters applied, grouping, and subquery, and then how the result comes. You can copy it, and if you are not confident about the data, you can just edit the SQL query as well here. Just click on it. And suppose you made some changes accidentally, you can reset it as well. Just close it. And most importantly, if you want to execute it and see the output here as well, you can just click on execute query, and it will show you the output right here as well on the application. You can export your output in the CSV as well here as well. So, and you can ask another question. Give me the list of all the order. Now I know there are more than 20,000 orders that is present inside the Excel file. And you see it will put, this is a simple query, it just need to fetch in all the details. Okay, that's why the select statement only. And it's a query explanation is also very simple. But the more important thing here is that you will see there are 20,000 rows that needs to become inside this application, and it will handle it very well. Just see it. So yeah, there are 20,000 rows, and then you see there is no lag at all here. And if you want, you can just export this out into the CSV. Simple as that. And if you just see, and you can review it, yeah, order details, everything is coming here, right? And that's it. Now, so that's the AI Hub, the 3 agents solving real world problems, document audit, information overload, and data accessibility, all in one platform, all powered by Cloud AI. It's fully deployed and live. Link is in the comments if you want to try it yourself. I'm planning to keep in adding more agents as I keep learning. So if you have any ideas for what I should build next, drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching. And here are my details as well. If you want to connect with me, LinkedIn, GitHub, my portfolio email, and I also have a certificate. You can watch it here. Thank you for watching. Bye.